Hey everybody, how we doing? I'm Dave, one half of Shenanigans with D&D, and we are back with a little 50th anniversary unboxing. So my wife got excited, she went online, she bought some stuff. Probably stuff that we probably could have got at the parks when we got there, but we were too excited, we didn't want to wait, and we wanted to make sure we got some stuff. But before we get started on that, I want to show you guys a couple of really cool things that I found at a local store, Clem's. Some awesome Disney keepsake Hallmark ornaments. The Storyteller's statue, which I loved. I had to get that one. And then a Forky for my little one because she absolutely loves Forky. As you can tell, I am here with my Mickey Quarantine shirt on, thanks to my partner Aaron at the Firehouse. I love it. So, all right, let's stop wasting time. Let's get right into it. So, let's see what we got here. Smarter than the bag. All right. Let's see. Hollow Stream. Wow, cool. So Disney throws in this thing with a QR code on it, so you can go and watch all the different Disney movies, Halloween movies that they have. It's pretty cool. So this is my hoodie. This is my sweatshirt. Oh, the hanger's broken. That's all right. It happens. So the 50th, big Mickey on the back, 50th anniversary logo on the front. It looks like there's a zipper pocket on top of, there is, on top of the regular pocket. So now this is a 2X. I'm about 6 feet, 230-ish pounds. To give you an idea. There's that pocket. Oh, that's awesome. Put lots of snacks and goodies in there. So yeah, this is mine. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this on for the duration. So I had to do this when the older two weren't home because we got some stuff for them. And they have no idea that we got them anything. And if I'm being honest, I don't even remember what my wife got for them. Oh, my wife got herself a sweatshirt, so we got... I'll just run down the list so that way you kind of have an idea. The Mickey Mouse pullover sweatshirt for adults, Mickey Mouse and Friends pullover sweatshirt for kids, a Mickey and Minnie Mouse pullover hoodie, and a Mickey Mouse tie-dye pullover hoodie. All right. Looks like we also got, all right, so this is the little 50th anniversary pullover. This is definitely for my oldest daughter because she does not like anything real heavy. She likes, you know, cute, light little things. So this is definitely for her. My little air poppers. I love popping those things. Don't mind me. All right, let's see. Oh, this is super cute. So this is definitely for my son. Hopefully you guys can see all this stuff good. We got Figment, Orange, Woody, BB-8, Kevin, Zazu, Donald, Goofy, Mickey. There's so many different characters on this. They have the Safari Bus. They have Tron. It's really cool. Really, really cool sweatshirt. Again, this is all 50th anniversary stuff, so this is all stuff that you can buy supposedly in the park. But again, I get a little nervous, you know, relying on the park to being able to get stuff in the park, just because we all know that sometimes it can be pretty hard to get stuff in the park. So that's why we like to get our stuff online. And that way we go with the stuff that we definitely want to get. Anything that we buy while we're there, it's just a bonus. So this must be for my littlest one. She's over on the couch, so we won't tell her. But how cute is this? Striping on the sleeves. I love that, like, iridescent color, like how it changes in the light. I just love it. It's great. All right. Oh, more poppers. My wife will yell at me later because she'll be like, I needed those. I have stuff to ship out. I'm a big kid, can I say. All right. Last but not least, oh, this is for me too. My wife definitely doesn't wear a 2XL. Oh, this is awesome. I really like this one. The Mickey bow tie. Yes. Little 50th anniversary logo up here. Oh, wow. This looks comfy too. So this one's a little bit lighter. Feels like it's a little bit lighter than the other one. Ooh, sorry. I want to show you guys on my belly. Trust me, it's nothing anybody wants to see. All right, awesome. So you know what I'm going to do, guys? So I'm going to lay these all out. And I'll do like a close-up of everything so that way you guys can see it. This stuff is really, really nice. I like it a lot. The missus did a great job. All right, let's see. All right. So this is the Mickey tie-dye. But I mean, look at all the characters that are on this. Hey everybody, how we doing? I'm back again. We have another unboxing. Didn't know this one was coming. Wife told me that it was coming today. After I opened the other boxes, she wouldn't tell me what it was. She said, just do another unboxing. So here I am. I'm doing another unboxing. Being lazy today. I am still in my Mickey quarantine shirt. Dunkaroos. How many of you guys remember these things? They're amazing. My kids love them.
Yeah, I love it.
Do you love it? Okay, awesome. Here you go.
Thank you.
Don't make a mess. All right, so back to business. Well, this time it came with some fancy paper. Oh, okay. So my wife didn't get any shirts or sweatshirts. but she did. All you ladies are gonna love these. These are the 50th anniversary Mickey ears. Look at that. Check these out. It's even got the nice little Loungefly, Disney Loungefly tag on the side. These are pretty nice. These are fancy. I'm gonna wear them before my wife can. What do you guys think? So, like always, keep up the shenanigans, and I'll get back with you guys a little bit later. All right? You guys have a great day. I'll see you all real soon.